Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign into get.io account. So if you also want to sign into get.io account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open get.io application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the get.io application has been opened, you can see over here you'll be led to the home interface. If you're not logged into your account in the home interface, you'll be able to find the option for login or sign up. You can simply tap on that option if you want, or you can also tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to find the option for login or sign up. Simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. All you have to do is enter your email or phone or username over here. Or instead of that, you can also see other sign up options at bottom. You can also sign up with Google or Microsoft. So if you want to sign in using your credentials, simply enter your email or phone or username over here. After that, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, tap on the login option that you can see on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. The verification code will be sent to your email. So simply open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. You can see right over here get.io has sent me the email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, that particular email will be opened. Over here you'll be able to see the verification code. Simply memorize this code. Go back to the get.io application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in get.io account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.